Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering clean sources and defining the dashboard's purpose. This matters because tooling follows requirements. Once done, open Excel, enable Power Query and your AI assistant. Import each source as a table. Make sure columns have consistent types. Ask the AI to detect outliers, normalize dates, and suggest joins, then apply those transformations in Power Query. Finally, create a master query that consolidates data so you have a single, reliable table to drive visuals and metrics. Now build the logic that will power visuals. Use the data model or structured tables for scalability. Ask the AI to produce DAX, lambda, or array formulas for key measures like rolling 3-month average or Yo-Y change. Implement and explain each formula so you know why it works. Once formulas are in place, create pivot tables or dynamic ranges that reference those measures. Then design chart types mapping to each KPI, line for trends, bar for comparisons, and connect slicers for interactive filtering. Finish by arranging the dashboard. Align charts, label axes, add concise commentary and KPI cards so your audience reads insights quickly. Once placed, link slicers and test interactions across scenarios. Make sure refresh works and set scheduled updates if available. Save a version copy and document queries and AI prompts used. If something breaks, first reproduce the error on a small sample. Then rerun the Power Query steps and inspect column types. This single troubleshooting step resolves most refresh and aggregation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.